What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa. Nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa.
So how much for this and this?
Okay, sir.
Independent. Need new trucks, independent. I need you.
So this is 1.1 million. And this is 2.6 million. So that's a total of 3.7 million naira.
For this?
So this is direct from Gucci.
Let's just leave it here. Let's not even bother about it.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Emeka!
Nasty. Stop now. Can't you see? The polo is 6 figures. By the way, you call me Amy Millions. Let me have the Gucci shoes, the Vuitton shirt, and the Chanel bag.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to press on kill you.
I'll buy everything.
Okay, sir.
My dad! Nobody push her down!
Nasty! Where have you been? I've been calling your phone since last night.
I was out with the boys last night now.
You think I'm talking with you?
Now push you. New one.
Because you're sharing. I'm going to ask you for the very last time. Who is Jessica?
Baby Joe, Farabale. Wait, will be, eh? Baby, calm down.
Oh, you think I'm talking with you?
Jesus Christ.
I don't think that new one.
Dead body go surplus.